Champions League next campaign. They finished 1 point above AS Roma. 12 behind eventual winners Napoli. Now, they did score 9 goals. In their opening 2 group games. And after those 9 goals, 2 more followed against Manchester City, but they conceded 5, losing to the Premier League outfit 5-2. Superb performance that saw Juventus, who went into the game top, slipped down to second. So instead of facing Al Hilal, who finished second in Real Madrid's group, they will be facing Real Madrid, who have won 15, a record 15 Champions League titles. Juventus have won the Champions League twice. But they have qualified for 9 finals, Juventus, and lost 7. The 2 titles they won, 1985 and 1996. Bayern Munich follow with 5 finals lost. Benfica have also lost finals 5. Liverpool 4. AC Milan 4. Inter Milan 4. Atletico Madrid and Barca have both lost 3. Roger have lost 3, but have won 15. Quite incredible record. Have not lost a final since 1981 Real Madrid, winning in 1998, 2000, 2002, 2014, 16, 17 and 18, 22 and 2024. And now looking to become the first winners of the Club World Cup. Now earlier, if you were watching, we heard from Victor Munoz, Dean Howson and Danny Carvajal, the captain. Now Danny Carvajal saying he's in good shape and could make the matchday squad for the game against Juventus. Victor Munoz, the Castilla player, saying it was a dream come true training with world-class players and working alongside Xabi Alonso. And we heard from Dean Howson, the centre-back signed from Bournemouth. He is very cool, isn't he? Saying they could play in a back 5, back 4, and also hoping that Real Madrid go all the way and conquer the Club World Cup. We continue to focus on the goalkeepers here, as the players prepare just out of shot for the game at the Hard Rock Cafe, home to the Miami Dolphins. Tuesday afternoon here in the States. FIFA Club World Cup last 16 tie. I know we've seen Militao train a little. Lemendi, Naralaba. Kylian has yet to make a start or an appearance at the Club World Cup. He could return after a stomach bug. Also saw Endrick with his teammates. As for Juventus, still without Mattia Perin, who went under the knife. Expected back until next season. Remember to tune in later on today to hear from the manager at 6 o'clock local time in Miami, midnight Central European summertime. As Fran Gonzalez, one of the goalkeepers who has been training with Real Madrid, of course. He'll be keeping goal for Castilla next season, so for him to be with the first team is an amazing opportunity. Huge fan of that man who isn't, Thibaut Courtois. And Courtois just saying, you know, if he continues to play like he does, he'll be playing for Real Madrid. You can see he's a tall goalkeeper. Great reflexes. And for a big keeper, gets down low quickly. Who knows? He could be the future between the sticks for Real Madrid. But the present is clearly Thibaut Courtois. His first training session was a couple of years ago. Fran Gonzalez was regularly promoted to first team training, but of course very difficult to get opportunities. One appearance in the Liga for Fran Gonzalez. Came against Valencia. And the young keeper played well. And there's his mentor, Thibaut Courtois, with the 20-year-old keeper, Fran Gonzalez. 1.99 m. We'll give him 2 meters. Fran Gonzalez there posing alongside his hero, Thibaut Courtois.
Está Xavi en el centro, si queréis.
We're seeing some first team squad members joining this training session now.